Grommets. When it comes to hanging your banners, grommets are the easiest and strongest option. They allow you to tether to multiple points at once. We use a high-quality No. 2 Simpson brass grommet for all of our banners. UV laminate is a liquid coating that protects your banners against the harsh UV rays. They prevent your banners from fading and extends the lifespan of your banner. Wind slits can be added to our 13-ounce vinyl banners to reduce stress on the grommets in windy areas. Half-circle slits are cut in evenly spaced areas on the banner. This is an alternative to mesh banners mostly for looks. A mesh banner has more of a muted look due to the mesh material, whereas the vinyl banner will have a more vibrant look. Pole pockets. Pole pockets are added to the sides or the top and bottom of your banner. These pockets will allow you to slide in a pipe or pole to help with mounting. When you add a pole pocket to the top of your banner, this allows it to hang straight and even. This is also a great way to carry a banner in a parade or other event. In addition to the top, a pole pocket can be added to the bottom to add weight to the banner, which helps keep the bottom edge from flapping or moving.